my suite. I live in 202. So there's 8 girls in here, including myself. So when you open the door, you see the kitchen, or you see Charlotte. Her painting of herself is right there. We usually have 2 stools, but I don't know where the other one is. But this is like, I guess, a bar or whatever. I don't know. We have a sink and a fridge in here, and Haley brought a microwave. Danilee does not, or the suites in Danilee do not come with a microwave, so I would recommend to bring one. So Haley brought that. And then we just have the toaster. I brought the toaster, and there's some food. This cabinet is where we put like our personal food, so if we don't want people to eat the food in there, we usually put that food in here. This stuff is usually where the coffee and spices and stuff is. And I really like Danilee because we have a kitchen. If I didn't have a kitchen, I'd really cry. And this is where we put usually our bowls and cups and stuff. It's usually really full, but as you can see, there's dishes. And then in here is like the communal cabinet where we put snacks in here that we want to share. And then I brought my Keurig, which is right there. And then we have some more cabinet space up here. And then we put our utensils and like extra stuff. We have some paper plates. We have some plastic bags and trash bags. And some more. And then we have some more bags and cleaning supplies in here. And yeah, we have a fridge. In here, there's usually not that much stuff in there. We have our trash can. And then this is our common area. It comes with a couch and I think 2 of these chairs. We took someone's couch. So, yeah. But we have Chance the Rapper, Girls Rule. We have that poster. Then we have A$AP Rocky, and then we have a beanbag. And this table, Treat Yourself, Elon, college, and then we have this little thing. It's kind of messy in here, but it's college. And then we have all of our shoes. Well, not all of our shoes, but this is where the shoes pile up. So as you can see, there's a hallway down there. So this first door doesn't open. I don't know what it is. We have a thermostat and it is 80 degrees right now, so I'm gonna turn it down. We have a fire extinguisher. This is my room right here. It's right across from the bathroom. So we have our own bathroom. As you can see me right here. We have cabinet space under the sink. We have a big mirror, and then it's the same on that side. And then we have towel hooks on the doors. And then this is where the toilet is. And then the shower. So the shower is a decent size for, shower. I'm glad I don't have to share it with like a million people. So this is my room. It's right across from the bathroom, and then my suite mates' rooms are down there. I'm the first room. And my roommate just left. She's going to be gone for a couple of days. So I'm just doing this really quickly. So when you close the door, there's towel racks, bags, and some random books. And then I have my lab stuff in the second. I have my lab stuff in like the second compartment, and then I have all my shoes, which looks a mess. And then when you turn around, I have this little box. I have that box with some trash bags for the trash can, and that trash can is not mine. It's actually my roommate's, but she had an extra one. So I guess I'll start with my desk. I have my printer that I have yet to use. I need to get ink, and then I have 2 hats. Up here I have my Elon one, and then the one that I got from the thrift store in my thrift haul. And then, of course, I have water bottles. And then I have the book that I'm reading for class, Islam in America. I have my camera lens and then my SD adapter for my phone. And then I have this lamp that I got from Walmart that you guys, oh that's right, that you saw in my dorm hall. But it says hey, as you can see. And I just have some pencils, some pens, some highlighters, you know, all that good stuff, and Haley's lip gloss, don't be mad at me. I have a flashlight, my USB, a piggy bank that's in the shape of a camera. I have an A for Aliana, flowers, and then I have my calendar with all of my stuff, and then my phone is right there. And then I have a chair, and then there's like, what is this called? Like a drawer for your keyboard, but I don't really use it. I don't really do my homework at my desk, or actually I don't do my homework at my desk at all. So I have my backpack right here. It's usually hanging on my bed. So in here I kind of have like financial stuff and like random stuff that I use on a daily. I have my pepper spray. I have this like fuzzy phone charger. This is like a moisturizer. My jewelry. I have my financial planner and like cards that I got for like my birthday and Christmas. I have my glasses. Yeah. Then in the second drawer I have like medicine. So I have a first aid kit, batteries, what is that called? A tape thing. I have my medicine, hand sanitizer, gum, my birth control, Band-Aids, these Alka-Seltzers, what are these called? Cough drops, and all that good stuff. And then in this drawer, I just have random papers from school, and binders and extra like stuff. And then I have my calculator. And then this is where my bed is. Oh, I should do my closet. So this is what we have to put our clothes in. So it's like, I forgot what it's called. But I have my duffel bag up there for when I go home or whatever. I have like my clothes hanging up. Well, mostly my shirts and like dresses and stuff. I have my dirty clothes basket. I usually put my pajamas up here that I'm wearing. I have my towels and stuff back there and my face cloth. The first drawer that I have, I put my jeans. The second drawer, I have like my underwear and stuff like that. And then the third drawer, towards the bottom, I put like my workout leggings and pajama stuff up there. So here's my bed. I got this little blanket thing from either Marshalls or TJ Maxx. I have my laptop. This tapestry, I used to have nothing on my walls and my students would really laugh at me because it was so plain in here, but I really just wanted a minimalist theme. And I got this tapestry from Target and it just matched perfectly for what I wanted to go for. I got this comforter. It's a white comforter from Target. And I don't really like the material. As you can see, there's lint. I don't know if you can see, but there's lint. And this is my cat, Princess. Her face is messed up because of my dog. Don't laugh at her. I got this, I forgot where I got this pillow, but it just added some color, I guess. And then I have two pillows, and then I have my license plate from Massachusetts from when I lived there. My roommate's remote is right here. I have an extension cord and then my laptop charger. Under my bed, I have two containers. Okay, so I have my suitcase right there, and then I have a treasure chest thingy that has all my jackets and sweaters and stuff that can't fit in my closet. Under here, I usually have snacks and stuff. That ramen noodle package is empty, so I don't know what's in there. In this cabinet or this thing, I have important papers and like extra printer paper, envelopes, etc., etc. I have my stool because my bed is kind of high and I'm short. And then in this long thing. I have extra sheets and pillowcases, and then I have my tripod under my bed. And yeah, this is my dorm room. I guess I'll give like an overview. And this is my roommate's side. She's not here, but this is her side. I'm sure she's fine with me filming this. And then her TV. I'm so glad she has a TV because I didn't bring one. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed this dorm tour. It was kind of fun to film. So yeah, if you're looking into Elon, I hope this was helpful for you. And yeah.